How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to Lead Therapy, and thank you so very much for taking time for tuning in to the video. How would you like to live in a state that wants to legalize suppressors if they're made in their state? It would be exempt from NFA regulation. That means no forms, no background checks, and no $200 tax stamps or waiting a year for the government to give you permission to own one. Let's take a closer look. Most of you know that constitutional carry, or what some people call permitless carry, will soon be law in Texas. The bill has already been passed and just waiting for the governor to sign it. But a lot of people are unaware that there's another Pro 2A bill in the Texas State Senate, which is Bill HB 957. The bill addresses regulation of suppressors made within the Lone Star State. The bill does three things. It appeals the state law criminalizing suppressor manufacture or possession outside of regulation under the National Firearms Act. It establishes and legalizes a class of made-in-Texas suppressors that must be manufactured and or sold within the state from Texas-made parts. The silencer must be stamped "Made in Texas" and must remain in the state. It would then be exempt from NFA regulation. That means no forms, no background checks, no $200 tax stamps, or up to a year-long wait to get government permission. Finally, the bill provides a path to secure a declaratory judgment on the constitutionality of the law before someone manufactures made-in-Texas suppressors. And this last part is really important. Before you run out and make yourself a can out of an oil filter and then post it online for all the world to see, stop, don't do it. If signed into law, this is still going to have to go through the federal courts. Some of you may remember the situation a couple of Kansans found themselves in after the state passed something called the Kansas Second Amendment Protection Act. A retailer there began selling unregistered suppressors. He, along with one of his customers, was arrested by the ATF, prosecuted, and convicted. They appealed to the Supreme Court, but they were denied a hearing. People say the Texas bill is far different from what was passed in Kansas and will provide the basis for a very good argument for excluding Texas-made suppressors from NFA regulation. And now with that said, the process still needs to play out and be decided in federal court. And one of the most important things, especially if you live in Texas, don't do anything stupid. The Texas Senate passed the House version of the bill clearly. That means it now goes to Governor Greg Abbott, who hasn't said anything about the bill so far. Some think he may not have thought it would ever make it to his desk. Most people are guessing he'll sign the bill into law. But who knows, stranger things have happened. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if I gave you some information that you didn't know, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the post notifications, and I will see you in the next video.